Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Ubisoft Connect. You got an error, failed to synchronize cloud saves while playing any game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, you need to launch your Ubisoft Connect and then click on your profile icon and choose option settings. Over here you will find the option of enable cloud synchronization. First of all, uncheck it. Now close it. Now whatever game you are trying to play, launch the game, and once the game started, play it, and after playing the game, again click on your profile icon settings and enable the cloud save, and hopefully this will fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, you need to open the directory of the Ubisoft, which is in C drive, program files x86, and you will find a Ubisoft folder. You need to right click on it and choose the option properties. Now here click on security tab and you will find the option of edit. Click on it. Now first of all, in this pane you need to find users and then check mark the option allow under the full control. After doing so, hit apply and OK button. Now restart your PC and then relaunch your Ubisoft Connect and play the game to fix out the issue. If this also failed, in next step you need to go offline and then go online right into the Ubisoft. To do so, right click on start menu, choose option run, type here percentage local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Now here press the U key to find Ubisoft game launcher folder. Open it, right click on settings.yaml file and choose the option open with notepad. Now here press Ctrl F key to open search box and type in offline. Now here you will find an option of offline and next to it, it is written false. Delete it and type here true. Once you are done so, click on the file menu, choose the option save. After saving it, close it. Now right click on the Ubisoft game launcher folder, go to properties and check mark this particular option, read only. Hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead and try to relaunch the game. Once the game is started, you can again come back to this particular folder, open the file and again by right clicking, open with notepad and again change that particular true to false. Then file and choose option save. This will take Ubisoft Connect to online and in turn fix out the issue. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.